all have memories of the London Children's Museum, whether it was our first time digging for dinosaur bones or blasting off into space, or watching our children or grandchildren take their first steps or build a new skill. These are memories that last a lifetime and span generations. The Children's Museum is honored to be part of so many memories and for our trusted role in helping our community learn, play, and grow together. Our community members came together to share their favorite memories of the Children's Museum and why you should support our Journey Home campaign.
The museum came out of a spark of an idea from my mother. So she saw it in Children's Museum in Boston, came home, and that was the seed, and it grew. And it grew with the whole community. It is so great in that the growth of the Children's Museum will actually now extend, I think, well beyond London to the larger community, to southwestern Ontario. I think it's going to be a draw in itself, bringing people to our city. I think it is an area that is accessible to all families in London, which I think is a really important part of my mother's dream, that all families should be able to come to the London Children's Museum and spend quality time together.
The thing about kids is they see the world in a very different way. And so when you bring them to a place like the museum, we may walk in and see, oh, here's a little place where we can dig for dinosaur bones and so on. But you absolutely never know what it's going to mean to them.
Growing up here, it was always a place that I got to come to with my family, and whenever family came to town to visit, we brought them here. And looking back, I didn't realize that that was really a unique thing to a community. I just kind of thought it was assumed that every community had a children's museum. So learning more about it as an adult and recognizing the privilege and opportunity I had, I just want to make sure that it's there for others to enjoy. And I really appreciate how the Children's Museum eliminates those barriers, makes it accessible to everybody. It's very impressive, and just wanting to make sure it's there for the future to enjoy.
We actually met our best neighborhood friends here at the Children's Museum when our kids were young, and it's just a great way for families to meet each other and for kids to socialize. And even before going into school, they're able to make these connections with other kids, and it just gives them I think, a head start in life.
I was a kid who spent time at the museum. I grew and developed. It led to me wanting to have a significant contribution to my community. Fortunately for me, it was also giving back to something that gave so much to me. And now I get to see it in my son as he gets to test himself, he gets to play, he gets to socialize. He's learning about the world around him and getting to ask questions in a safe but adventurous environment. And so that's the legacy that we get to pass on to the next generation. Investing in our kids now is important, but those are going to be our leaders of the future. And so giving them a safe place where they can learn, take risks, grow, is super important. The Children's Museum is a staple for that within the London community. It's one of its kind, unique to even our region. And so we're super lucky to have it here in London, and it's something that community needs to get behind, rally, so that we can continue to have it and continue to see it grow and make impacts on lives.
As someone who has lived in London the majority of my life, I have seen the importance, personally invested in being in this space, and now the next generation utilizing this space. It's become such a hub for not only Londoners, but from people all over the region to flock to. The world around us is changing, and while we want to prepare them as much to go off bravely into the world, it's really wonderful to have this safe place in our community that we can go as a family and kids can just be kids.
So the London Children's Museum is an absolutely magical space for children. It is designed for how children learn best. It's interactive, it's engaging. The new Children's Museum is going to have double the exhibit space. It will ignite the minds, muscles, imaginations of children. Children need these kinds of experiences in order to gain problem solving, empathy, critical thinking, resilience, all the things that are going to help them move throughout the world. We do need community support, the community investment in this space. It's going to be here for many, many years to come. And so we're currently looking for those people that want to get involved, put their name on some of these exhibits, these amazing spaces, and contribute to that investment in our community and the future of the children and families in our community. Over 45 years ago, this community came together to build Canada's first children's museum right here in London. It's time for us to grow, to evolve, to dream big. We're on the home stretch to making this new Children's Museum a reality for the community. We're so grateful for the support so far. We need your help. Join the journey, invest in the future of children and families in our community, and help bring us home.
Hey London, come join the journey.
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 Let's create a new adventure. Join the journey.
Join the journey!